All right, guys, it's your boy Shades and Trades here. We are looking at ILUS. I'm looking at 60-minute chart, which I rarely use, but I just want to take a quick look at this one because what I'm seeing here is this is what I'm seeing. When we were running up, we had a breakout, and then we pulled back, and now it's looking like this. So the question here is, are we going to get a breakout or are we going to get a breakdown? That is the big question because that's the nature of the wedge here versus this. You see the difference? It's the opposite essentially. Although this is more of an ascending triangle, but yeah, either way, this looks more bearish than it does bullish. I mean, look at this here. We eventually broke out. Yeah, the barcode price action kind of sucks. But more often than not, even here, I mean, I could go on and on. Well, actually, that breakout actually makes sense here. That was not a descending triangle or a wedge. But the point I'm trying to make is, doesn't this look like the opposite? So you would expect this to go down. That is what I'm seeing. I'm almost seeing like a head and shoulders. I don't know. That is what yeah, we'll see. But it is looking like it wants to break down. Are we even getting volume today? Well, that's pretty much it, guys. There's not much else. The RSI has cooled off, so if it's going to have another pop, it has to be here. It has to be here, but what is there? Is there any reason for this to move to the upside? Anyone? Because we already got the news here. I'm trying to think what else could send us. Even on the weekly, it looks bearish. See, on the weekly, we had two green days here, or two green weeks, big red bar, and then we came up a little bit and still continued to tank. So that's why I'm saying, like, I wouldn't be too excited here. Here we had a run up, tanked, run up, tanked, run up, tanked. Nice run up here. I mean, we've had these, right? Look at this big run up here, and we still tanked. We still retraced. So I don't know why people are being bullish. This is cool, but it usually means we're gonna. If you look at the history on the weekly, history tells us we usually tank after 2 to 3 weeks of green. So, and we're not in a bull run, that's for sure. The only way we could say that is if we create a higher high here. So this would have to come up and break 280 and then create a higher high for us to say we're in a bull run. Ideally, we would want, let me see, where's the 50 EMA, the 200? We want a golden cross. So I'm not buying here. Like I said, I can be patient. I'm going to wait for it to come down to 1-2 or below. And if that doesn't happen, the golden cross has always been money. Let me show you the power of that golden cross here. With an arrow, golden cross led to this move here. Golden cross led to this move here. So you'll still be, people always want to capture like 10,000%, but I'm okay with just capturing 300. 300 is no joke. 300 is still 300. Too many people are just greedy. And then they hold, hoping for more. I remember in Moon Market's Discord, people kept buying Ilus at 50 cents, thinking, oh my God, this is so cheap. It's going to go to $1, $2. So right now, it's still a deal. Oh boy. Oh boy. QIND, like I said, I think it's bottomed out down here. So just start accumulating if you think it's going to run. If you think it's going to run, I'm not buying that. Samo right now is the one I think people should be keeping an eye on. This is the one that can run at 3 cents. Another subsidiary. Let's see what happened to subsidiaries. Oh, they ran as far as 62 cents at one point. Even if it just runs to 10 cents, I mean, that's still, what, 200% plus? That's the one to keep an eye on. SAML, or whatever ticker name change it gets, ERTI or Fire or Rescue. Keep an eye on that one. That is the play, in my opinion. I think it ran up today to, didn't it go up to like 4 cents or something? I think I saw it up like 20%. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but I swear I saw that it was up like 20% in one day. Like, yeah, right at open, it jumped to 469 apparently. I'm not sure if that's even true, but this is the one. That's the play. And we'll come back to this in the future and be like, damn, he was right. Yeah, so you can't even call me a bullshitter. And that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.